Hey, my name is Dennis. We created this platform that can automate your product screenshots so that each of the images in your Help Center articles are always up to date. Let me jump out and show you how to set up a simple automation recipe. Let's add a new recipe. We will call it test, and we will open up the browser in browser environment. You'll set up a login profile that allows us to sign into your demo account. We'll go behind the authentication, show you your app as it exists. In that app, you can navigate around as you would in any other application in real life. As you kind of find the particular page where you want to take a screenshot, you set the URL so we can navigate back to it at any later stage. You can also apply a whole host of actions to put it into the right state. Could be some sorting on a table, use a date selector, add some input text, and so on and so forth. We'll keep this simple. So I'll kind of use our what you see is what you get to kind of hover around on the page and see what is it I want a screenshot of. Could be a very kind of small element, could be kind of a full dashboard. Let's say it's this particular card. I pick it. We didn't want to take any actions. I set the elements. We don't have any particular requirements to the style. I set the file name and I save my very simple kind of recipe, which we can now go about and re-execute at any moment in time. So let's make that active and save it. And like any good cooking show, I can jump to a set of existing kind of recipes that I've already executed, and you can see a whole host of screenshots that we've taken. Let's scroll down, have a look. This is the new one that we just created. Let's ask the system to go fetch that. The system will now spin up a browser in the cloud, log into your demo account, go to the right page, find the right element, take a screenshot, do any annotation which you asked for, upload the whole thing to the cloud, and bring it back to this interface. We now see the element here, and again, it was very simple, but that's the screenshot that we wanted. What's awesome, obviously, is that you can re-execute this every single night. So you always have up-to-date screenshots.